If you want to make your Instagram private, first open Instagram and click on your profile icon at the bottom. After that, click on the three lines at the top right corner. Once you click on it, scroll down. Now you'll see an option for Account Privacy. Click on it. After that, turn on the button next to Private Account. As soon as you turn on this button, a notice will pop up saying Switch to Private. Click on that. This way, your Instagram will become private if your account is set to personal. But if your account is professional, you'll need to fix that first. To fix this, we'll go back and click on the Account Type and Tools option. Right at the top, you'll see the Account Type option. Click on it, then click on Switch Account Type and select Personal Account instead of Business Account. This will switch your account from professional to personal. Now go back again and click on the Account Privacy option and turn on the Private Account option. And finally, this way your Instagram will become private. I hope this really helped you. If your answer is yes, drop a like. If you want more help like this, quick and straight to the point, subscribe.